Want to remove the Microsoft Edge desktop search bar in Windows 11? I'll guide you through the simple steps to disable it. Open the search menu and type gpdet. Select Edit Group Policy to open the Group Policy Editor. In the Group Policy window, navigate to User Configuration. Double-click on Administrative Templates. Double-click on Windows Components. Locate and open the Attachment Manager folder. Find and double-click on Inclusion List for moderate risk file types. Select the Enabled option. Under Specify Moderate Risk Extensions, type .exe. Click Apply and then OK. Restart your computer to apply the changes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.